guys, welcome back. So it's me, Raylene, which is her daughter. I got a new bike, which I don't know how to ride yet, but it's pretty good. But I got a flag already put on it with some zip ties right here. Pretty easy. And then it's not a Honda, which is it's really hot because I took it for a ride, and then it's pretty easy to ride. Look at that. Perfect. I love it. And it's pretty good. You probably know. I love riding, so I got my own. So, that little thingy. And then, yep. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye, guys.